Hey, it's Liz with Lawsuit Tracker. We are seeing an increase of individual civil lawsuits against nitrous oxide manufacturers and retailers. There's not yet been a federal lawsuit consolidated, but the more people that are filing individually, the more likely it is that this will become a federal lawsuit. So there have been awards already given in some cases. The family of a Missouri woman who was killed by a driver that was high off of nitrous oxide was awarded $745 million. The jury held the seller, United Brands Products, 70% liable for the wrongful death because an employee testified that 75% of the company's products went to smoke shops. Now, all of these brands, all of their products are supposed to be for culinary uses only, whipped cream canisters, refills, things like that. So they have no business being in smoke shops, and that's a lot of what these lawsuits, that's the angle they're taking. So similarly to that, a Michigan family files a wrongful death suit against nitrous oxide maker and retailers. The family of Eugene Glavin files a wrongful death lawsuit after he's struck and killed by a driver intoxicated with nitrous oxide. The driver allegedly lost control of the vehicle after inhaling Hippie Whippy branded nitrous oxide, so this lawsuit would be against that manufacturer. The lawsuit seeks damages against the product's maker, Elite Gas, as well as several retailers that sell it in the area. Which then leads us to a family of a deceased Florida woman proposes a class action against smoke shops that distribute nitrous oxide. So the family of Margaret Caldwell, who died in 2024 after prolonged nitrous oxide use, files a lawsuit against 7 smoke shops who sell it. Margaret had frequented these shops, and the lawsuit seeks to remove nitrous oxide products from these stores and proposes a class action against the manufacturers because, again, they shouldn't be going to smoke shops, and it's pretty clear. There has been a South Carolina man files a class action lawsuit against Galaxy Gas, which is another manufacturer. They make flavored nitrous canisters, and this was filed February of 2025, so this year. The complaint alleges that Galaxy Gas products are defectively designed and marketed in such a way to promote misuse, and it alleges the company took inadequate steps to warn consumers about the dangers of nitrous oxide inhalation. So on many of these, it'll say, don't inhale, culinary use only. For this class action suit in South Carolina, it's likely going to take the angle of they didn't specifically put down what can happen to you if you do it. If you take a look at, say, medications or prescription drugs, they have to have a list of side effects. With this, they're just saying don't inhale, but they're not, quote unquote, adequately warning consumers what'll happen if they misuse the product. There have been different studies. A new research article has revealed that people who misuse nitrous oxide can develop spinal cord injuries within weeks. We have that study linked on our website at lawsuittracker.org, but please feel free to leave any comments. As always, let us know what you think, and I will keep you up to date on if this becomes a federal suit. Thanks.